Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to download the working version of FlixVision app to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is really easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. First of all, you gotta have the app code downloader on your Firestick. If you already have this app on your device, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you need to follow me. So firstly, we go to the search bar on the Firestick. Here it is. Let's open it and start typing downloader in this search. And as you can see, now downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So just click on it, and here's this orange app, which you will have to get to your Firestick device. But now after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because of course you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, we'll go to the settings right now by clicking this button with a gear icon, and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options on the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging right here, then go to install unknown apps, and in here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on your Firestick, open it, and here is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. And all you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Romania right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you wanna stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below this video, or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on a screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. Then just go back to the list of apps on your Firestick, open it, and let's head into downloader now. So let's open the app, and here in the search you will have to enter a code, which will be 2619957. So once again, 2619957. That is the code you have to enter. So make sure to enter it exactly as you see and without any mistakes. Then you click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click on install and wait a bit until the app gets fully installed to the Fire TV stick. And then don't click on open yet, instead press done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. And then let's go back to the list of apps on the Firestick. Here it is, let's open it, and here's the FlixVision app, which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be super easy for you to access this app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.